So what made WRP stand out was a few things. The first one was that, they were one of the few people that had worked with social sector organizations, before, and many of the organizations that we had worked with already. So that gave us confidence that they know what it is to work with these kinds of audiences. The second was that the 2 years of focus that they had, and pre-consulting and also paid consulting that Scott gave us on the consultative selling model, or the DQ process, felt very aligned with the way that we wanted to approach KPIs. For us specifically, nobody else talked about it that effectively, of saying that we need to understand the problem first, and what we're trying to do is get the customer to the place where they can decide whether this is not for them, rather than saying, we are trying to sell something to them. So that spoke to us a lot. And connected to that is that we understood Scott's personality in those 2 years, and that made us confident as well. The third was that they had the WRP had a very hands-on process that is not just giving training. It was, we'll do discovery, we'll come to the field, we'll also do on-field coaching for a long time, like 3 to 6 months, and we ended up doing it for a year, I think, or more. And I think that even in the initial stages, even before we tried it out, it seemed like a great idea. So I think those are the three things, and I don't think there's a lot of agencies focusing on sales in this way, in this holistic way. So in one sense, there's also not a lot of choice out there. Everybody does. There's not a lot of competition to this holistic process that they do.